Strange, rare, and peculiar. Hi, my name is Angela, and I'm into all things homeopathy. Homeopathy thrives on very particular and very peculiar symptoms. So here we have some really lovely, peculiar situations. One, a cough that's triggered after using the phone and after entering the car and turning on the AC. This is actually the second time I've heard these exact same symptoms. The first time was from my aunt, who actually just got out of chemo, and so I thought maybe this was a side effect of chemo. These are two strange symptoms, but they might not be enough. In homeopathy, we have 7,000 remedies to choose from, and all of them have been proven, which means they are taken by a healthy person, and whatever symptoms result from taking it is actually what they can cure in a sick person. It's actually where double-blind placebo came from. So in this case, if we just took these two symptoms, then we would actually get 22 different remedies that could possibly address the issue. Now, how indicative the symptom is of the remedy is factored in when you look at the repertorizing system. So if you see here, you can actually see that the first remedy listed is something called Rumex, which is a pretty common cough remedy. And then after that, they've listed the other remedies, and it goes on for another 22 remedies. So if that's all I had to go on, that might be something that I would look at, the Rumex. Try that maybe in a 30C, maybe like twice a day, to see if that helps alleviate the issue. But I'm not a professional homeopath. So if you want to get better consult or look at it yourself, there's plenty of resources out there to do that. In this case, a consult with a classical homeopath wouldn't be a bad idea. Follow for more homeopathy tips.